Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to our amplify ambient sound options using volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, and under advanced settings menu we have volume up and down buttons. So right now we have our color filter here, but we want this option, amplify ambient sound. Yes, use this function, and let's see if our shortcut is working. So volume up and volume down, we will hold it for 3 seconds. Yes, we have our headphones turned off. Our headphones are not connected, so we can't use this function, but as you can see, our shortcut is working. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.